guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome. It's a safe place for you and for me. And for today's video, we're going to be trying out some new makeup that I ordered of Amazon and of Nykaa. The Amazon makeup took a really long time. Even though being a Prime member, the delivery doesn't do anything good to you. Like it almost took like over a week. Nykaa products had come really early. I bought it from the pink sale, but only because of the Amazon products I couldn't film the tutorial. I couldn't film this video. So I suppose there are a few things that are left to come, but we are just gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna do my makeup or this video with whatever I have received. So I will be mentioning the price on the screen somewhere. और वो कहाँ से है, if I've purchased it from Nykaa or from Amazon. And yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna start today's video with our skincare. I've already done my skincare, but it's almost afternoon. I want to redo it because I don't want my makeup to crease. So we're just gonna do 2 steps of skincare. So first of all, I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Pond's. I always use this. This is my go-to moisturizer. And then I've purchased this Neutrogena sunscreen. I have been trying and testing a lot of sunscreens. So I got this one because I've seen a lot of people talking about this. So this one's the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+. I just wanted to see कि अगर white cast देता है या नहीं. Though I'm not going to go out anywhere in the sun, और sun में नहीं भी जाऊँगी तो भी घर पे लगाती हूँ मैं sunscreen. But I just want to see if it gives me a white cast or no. So first off, we're going to apply the moisturizer and then the sunscreen. So it didn't really give me a white cast, and I hate sunscreens that give you a white cast. So this sunscreen didn't do that. So I think it's a very good thing. I mean, it's a very good sunscreen for me personally. The only fact that this sunscreen I feel is a little bit expensive. It is for $250 and you only get 30 ml. So it's upon you if you want to buy it or not. But obviously I told you I got it in my in the Nykaa pink sale. तो मुझे सस्ता ही मिला था. Then let's use some Vaseline on my chapped lips. Vaseline. Okay, so moving on with today's eye makeup, I have 2 concealers for you guys. So this one's the Blue Heaven 12 up to 12 hour stay flawless liquid concealer. It says that it is full coverage and super blendable. It's in the shade Cream 201. This is how it looks. And the second concealer that I have is the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. And I've got the shade medium 130. I do have the same variant from this, but it's like a different shade, which is like a highlighting shade. So this I suppose will exactly go on my skin. That's what I feel. So talking about this concealer, this is a little bit peachy, so I'm not really sure if this will work or not on my skin. Let me show you a swatch. I don't know, it is a bit peachy. Camera mein shayad dikh nahi, yeah, exactly. That's how exactly the concealer is. And this one, let me show you. This one's exactly that will go under my eyes. Might look a little bit white, but it is not, trust me. So first off, we are gonna try this concealer first on our eyelids, and if it doesn't work, then we'll go in with the second, then we'll go in with this, or maybe we can use this on our under eyes and use this on our, like, you know, as a eyelid, as your eyeshadow base. And so sorry I fall short of words. So I'll be looking down because I have a mirror over here. So yeah. पता नहीं गलती से मेरे लेफ्ट आंख में वो कंसीलर हल्का सा चला गया, and it's burning really bad. It's a no for me, guys. Absolutely no. Because first of all, there is no coverage, whereas it claims that it has full coverage, but so that concealer is absolutely a no for me. Maybe I ordered it off Amazon, तो पता नहीं कुछ fault होगा. मेरी eyes बार बार बहुत ज़्यादा water कर रही है, and also the fact that this concealer is not full coverage. It's not even full coverage at all. Like ये आँख पे कुछ नहीं हुआ है मुझे, but you guys can see it's given me bare coverage, like not even low coverage or little bit of coverage. It's given me the worst coverage. So yeah, I'm sorry, you'll just see a tear falling off my eye. On camera ro rahi hu main. Anyways, so we have to use this concealer to, you know, actually brighten up our lids. So we're going to be doing that. Okay, So now that I'm happy with the coverage, let's move on to our eyeshadow. And I'm not gonna set my eyes because I want maximum pigmentation from this palette. I haven't swatched it. ये अभी बस थोड़ी देर पहले आया है, सुबह ही आया है, तो मैंने ना इसको swatch किया, बस मैंने खोल के कलर्स देखे हैं जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. And this eyeshadow palette is from Mars. It is it's the Mars eyeshadow palette. It says Mars I belong in your purse eyeshadow, and it retails for rupees 249, but I got it off Amazon for like 199. Yeah, ऐसा कुछ. And I'm gonna appreciate the packaging, honestly. Like, look at the packaging. It's a white color. It says Mars I belong in your purse eyeshadow palette, and the shade is Smoke It Up, I suppose. That is what the shade is. And the color, why did I choose this palette is because it's all be variants stay, but I feel the color scheme, like look at it. You can go in with a glam look, or you can go in with a subtle look, your wish. And you also have a mirror here, which I'm trying to show you. See, that's your mirror. So you have a mirror, and you have beautiful 9 shades. So here is the swatch video of it, a little video. Let's begin with creating a makeup look. I have not decided. मैंने कुछ सोचा नहीं कि मैं ऐसे look करूँगी या वैसा look करूँगी. We just have to see. We're just gonna play with some colors, I feel. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'm grabbing a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. So now that I'm happy with the pigmentation and like how it looks on my eyes, I'm gonna go a little bit darker to create like a good transition. I'm gonna use this shade right here, this orange shade. I'm gonna take even smaller brush, and now I'm gonna use this brown shade right here, this one. It's a little bit dark, yeah. And I'm gonna really try to create like a soft brown smoky eye look. If that makes sense to you, makes sense to me. Even though the products being so chalky and so powdery, they give you a good color payoff, girl. And now to add some drama, we're gonna be using the glitter. I guess I'm gonna combine both of them just to see how it looks. Wow, Mars, I am completely in love with your eyeshadow palette. So now we are gonna go in with an eyeliner. I'm gonna use this is the eyeliner that I purchased, the Maybelline New York, the glossy liner in the shade black. And I love how the tip is. You can go in with like really patlu lines, or you can go in with like the fat lines. So I'm just gonna try drawing 2 similar wing liners. I hope they are twins and not cousins. Let's do our best. So this is how this happened. I just wanted, I don't really like how it turned out. I just wanted it to be thoda upar, but anyways, so I'm gonna draw the exact same over here. Try and draw the exact same over here. So I tried matching them, and I really don't know if they did or not. I do like this one better than this. I love how the colossal liner worked on me. It was really easy to glide. I have saggy eyelids or droopy eyelids, तो बहुत difficult हो जाता है उस पे draw करना with a pen liner. But this boy did really nice. Let's move on to the mascara. For mascara, I have the Maybelline New York Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. So ज़्यादा कुछ तो करता नहीं है ये mascara, but lash lift या ऐसा कुछ, I didn't personally see it in my lashes. So now let's move on to our face. For my face, the first thing is priming. I don't have any new primer as such because I already own a lot of new primers, like the ones that I haven't even used. But for today, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, one of my very favorite primer. Also, I don't have new foundations as such to, show you guys. I'm going to use the concealer only. So I love how my base looks right now, perfectly blended and good. Now we're just going to set our under eyes and some T-zone, For that, I'm going to use the Flawless Matte Finish Inside Finishing Loose Powder, the HD Loose Powder. And the shade that I have purchased, it's called Honey Sweet 05. Now this is a yellow loose powder. So I feel it did a good job, a fairly good job, I would say. Though it is giving me like a yellow tint on this, maybe because of the ring light आपको दिखेगा नहीं, but उसने मुझे थोड़ा yellow कर दिया है, which is okay. Moving on to my favorite part, that is the blush. Oh my gosh, you guys, this blush, this is the flower, it's from the brand Flower. It's that bomb blush color drops for cheeks. And blush bomb, sorry, it's their blush bomb color drops for cheeks, and the shade that I've got is a melon. Just look at how beautiful the color is. So it's like a tube, you just press it and there's like pigment, there's like color liquid blush that comes out. Now we are left with only like 3-4 steps, that is highlighter, setting spray and lipstick. So again, I don't have a new highlighter because highlighters are very difficult to get over, like to finish. So I'm going to use this one from Maybelline, the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold 100. So for my lipstick, I have two options. I have this is the Insight Makeup Essential Non-Transfer Lip Color. It is a lipstick, and this one's Insight Makeup Essentials Lip Gloss. So I'm just going to swatch it for you real quick. Oh wow, it's a beautiful pink shade. And the shade that I purchased is Cocoa Plum 05. And the Insight Lip Gloss, it's in the shade Temptation 13. It's like a lip gloss. Try to swatch it over here. Is it a lip gloss, girl? Yes, it is a lip gloss. So with this makeup, I feel this will go really nicely. I can actually use this one. So let me just see which looks good. So this too looks like very eye-catchy and like neonish. I guess I'm just gonna try to like settle it down because this is not my vibe. I can't wear such loud colors and go out there. So I'm just gonna lighten it a little bit by using the PAC lipstick. I'll just get it and show it to you guys as well. So I am gonna use this lipstick. This is the PAC Retro Matte Gloss lipstick in the shade Adore 40. I'm just gonna try like, you know, settling the color because it's too bright and catchy. Okay, so this is much better. Like पहले वो बहुत ज़्यादा आई कैची थी, अभी मैंने इसको बहुत like, you know, I tried to like थोड़ा पिंक जो है उसको थोड़ा सेटल डाउन करने की कोशिश की, and even in like off camera this looks really nice. Like the color looks really good. Now the very last process of this tutorial is a setting spray. So again, I got the Flower Seal the Deal. It's from the brand Flower. It's the Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. It gives you a dewy finish. इसमें एक matte finish वाला भी है. And I got it on a good discount, to be very honest. So we're just gonna spray it on real quick. I guess it did the job. And the best part that I like about this is it doesn't have a very strong fragrance. The setting sprays that I had before, it had so strong smell to it that it bothered me a lot. But this one, it has a very subtle, like na ke barabar fragrance. So now I'm gonna change myself, like change the outfit that I have and like look a little bit cute with some earrings and some hair, like get my hair into a proper hairstyle, and then I'll be back. So this is the look that I created using everything that I purchased from Nykaa and from Amazon. So here's a little quick look of this makeup look. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was a fun makeup look. And also, if you like such kind of video where I sit down and I talk to you about how I blend them or what product I use, and I personally sit and tell you everything in detail, let me know in the comment section below. I will do more such type of video. If there are any products that you personally want me to like, you know, use, let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.